HCL is changing the banking experience forever. Meet Ziva, your virtual banking assistant. Let us see how it is making the banking experience quick and interesting.
Thank you. Julie, I am Ziva, your virtual assistant. Please tell me in few words what you would like to do today.
I want to know my credit card bill.
Sure. For verification purposes, please say the 4-digit OTP that is sent to your mobile number.
3512.
Thanks for verification. The balance due on your credit card ending 8743 is $2,000 and due date is 30th of June, 2021. You can say pay my dues, repeat or anything else.
Pay my dues.
Sure. How much would you like to pay off today?
$100.
Okay. I see that your checking account ending 1379 is your preferred account for credit card payments. Shall I go ahead with that?
Yes.
Thank you. Your payment was successful and confirmation message has been sent to your mobile number. Is there anything else you would like to do?
I want to upgrade my credit card.
For this, I will have to transfer you to a specialist. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Please wait while connecting you to an agent.
Well, that was quick and easy. Ziva is set to transform the banking experience. Join the journey and experience the best.